Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we've got something that will blow your mind. A story of a humble 5-cent coin from 1999 that's rumored to be worth a jaw-dropping $45 million. Yes, you heard that right, folks. Millions of dollars for a coin you might have in your pocket. Right now, make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll not only tell you what makes this coin so valuable, but I'll also share how you can identify one and maybe even cash in on the fortune sitting in your collection. In full details, the 1999 Jefferson Nickel is part of a long line of nickels designed to honor the third U.S. President, Thomas Jefferson. First minted in 1938, the Jefferson Nickel replaced the Buffalo nickel and has since been a staple of American currency. Country U.S. period United States of America 1981. 2024 currency United States dollar coin type circulation, coins denomination 5 cents year. 1999 subject Jefferson Nickel composition copper nickel edge type, smooth shape, round alignment coin. 180 degrees, weight G, 5 diameter, 21.21 thickness. 1.95, but in 1999, a peculiar coin was minted. One that would go down in history as the most sought. After nickel of all time, let's talk about why this particular nickel is said to be worth $45 million. The story begins with a unique minting error. Mint errors are like the birthmarks of coins. Unintended flaws that make them rare and highly collectible. Here's the kicker. This 1999 nickel is believed to feature a one-of-a-kind error that has never been replicated. Some reports suggest it may involve a double die error, where the coin was struck twice with the die, causing letters and images to appear doubled. Others claim it could be an exotic metal mix-up, where the nickel was accidentally struck on the wrong planchet. Collectors and numismatists, those are fancy words for coin experts, are willing to pay millions for this because rarity equals value. Now comes the exciting part. How can you tell if your 1999 nickel is the golden ticket worth $45 million? Here's what to look for. Inspect the coin for doubling effects, especially in the lettering or the Monticello design. Use a magnifying glass or microscope for this. Rare coins sometimes have a unique sheen or unexpected colors due to a metal mix-up. Compare your coin's color with a regular 1999 nickel. A genuine error coin might weigh differently from a standard nickel. Use a precise scale to check if it matches the normal 5 grams. Remember, even if you don't find this exact coin, any mint error can make a coin valuable. You might just stumble upon a hidden treasure in your pocket change. Now, you might wonder, why would anyone pay $45 million for a nickel? It all boils down to 3 factors: rarity, demand, and history. This coin is the only one of its kind. Collectors love owning something no one else has. It's like owning the Mona Lisa of coins. The coin community is massive, and rare items spark bidding wars. Auction houses like Heritage Auctions and Stack's Bowers thrive on this competition. Coins tell stories. A rare error coin becomes a piece of history, a symbol of human mistakes turned into priceless artifacts. There's a fascinating legend tied to this coin. While some reports claim it sold for $45 million at a private auction, others argue that the story may be exaggerated. But the fact remains, rare coins have fetched millions before. Even if you find a 1999 nickel with a unique error, you could potentially earn thousands or even millions by selling it to the right buyer. And there you have it. The incredible story of the 1999 USA 5-cent coin worth $45 million. Who knew a tiny nickel could pack such a big punch? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection for more amazing coin stories. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.